Hey boys and girls, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to my bar, welcome back to Just Shake or Steer. I hope you had a wonderful week so far. I hope you celebrate Margarita Day, and yesterday was International Bartender Day, so things happening pretty much every day. But things also happen on the channel. Since we hit 1000 subscribers, few things changed and I want to let you know about them. Okay, boys and girls, I hope you're doing well, and yes, few things it changed. So nothing but, as you can see, a new bar finally amended and finally fixed, so I can work and I can present to you more and more recipes. And the second thing is that with hitting 1000 subscribers, finally the channel have the community tab, which is mean now I can start communicate with you directly and post questionnaires, ask for suggestions, ask for ideas from you, because end of the day this channel it's made for you. Yeah, the channel it's made for you, so I can present and teach you and show you how to make better cocktails, how to make homemade ingredients, what kind of books to get, and so on and so on. So any kind of ideas is gonna go in this community, and any questions, and I hope you're gonna take part in the community. So the first question was a few days ago from me: what kind of spirit do you like to see more used in the cocktails? Okay, so the question basically give you the option between rum, tequila and bourbon, and we have the winner, which is the rum with 50%, we have bourbon on second place with 30%, and we have 19% for tequila. This doesn't mean I'm not gonna make or prepare and show you how to do cocktails with tequila and bourbon, but since the question was exactly for these three spirits and we have a winner, I have to honor the winner, which is the rum. So in the next few videos I'm gonna prepare a few different simple rum cocktails for you, just because I want to show you how with the minimum ingredients and just swapping one or two things with a different measurement you can create fantastic cocktails with rum at home, because there's so many. So let's start today's cocktail. Okay, today we're doing Dr. Funk cocktail. Sounds good, tastes good, looks good. Okay, if you're ready, let's start making. Now grab your shaker, and first things you're gonna need is a wedge of lime. Now it's very strange, but bear with me because this recipe it's quite old, and I have a book which is very old, which I'm gonna present. I plan to do some kind of a on Sunday series where I'm gonna present books and bring some cocktails. It was idea from before, which I kind of a skip, but now I'm going back to it. So cut the lime in half and then cut the other half in half again. And you need just one of the lime wedge. Squeeze it inside in the shaker and just drop the piece inside, okay? Put this away. And then you're gonna start with your ingredients. For this cocktail we need Jamaican rum, and it's quite, let's put it this way, not boozy, but yeah, it's because it's based on rum. It's the hero of the cocktail, so I'm using Appleton Estate Jamaican rum, and we need 60 ml of the rum. So this is 2 ounces of the rum. So basically it's gonna be, that's your base spirit, that's your hero, and this is where we're gonna stop with the spirits, apart from a little bit of the Pernod here, which I'm gonna go to it. Now get yourself a bar spoon. If you don't have bar spoon, you can use just a teaspoon, absolutely fine. Why this is so, what's happened with my spoon? Right, we're gonna have to grab another one. For some reason it's totally bent. Anyway, so before I go with the spoon, I'm gonna need a lemon. Now, I need this cutting board again. I'm gonna grab a half a lemon. So the cocktail requires 20 ml of lemon, and I'm gonna squeeze a half of it. There you go. I will try to squeeze exactly 20 just to follow the recipe, and the rest of it I'm gonna leave for another cocktail, because as I mentioned, there will be a few cocktails with exactly pretty much the same ingredients. There you go. We're good here. Lovely. So 20 ml of lemon juice. freshly squeezed lemon juice, okay? Try to use freshly squeezed, for example, if you want to do more of the cocktail. Don't worry about it, just squeeze your lemon, put in like a small bottle like this, which I have here with lime, and you're gonna be absolutely fine just to make a few of the cocktails. Now get your bar spoon or a teaspoon and you need a powdered sugar, okay? So what we need here, ooh, look at that, going everywhere. We need a bar spoon of powdered sugar. Now you may ask why you're not using a sugar syrup. Because I like to introduce you to old school cocktails and show you that you don't always need a sugar syrup to prepare something nice. Powdered sugar, you'll be absolutely fine. Then grab your Pernod or any anisette liqueur if you have, and we need only a bar spoon of the Pernod, which is around 5-6 ml, depends on the spoon, but yeah, around 5 ml. Then we have a grenadine. This is a homemade grenadine, the same measurement, just 5 ml or a bar spoon of a grenadine. And this is where we finish with a cocktail, okay? So leave your bar spoon on the side and grab some ice, put in the shaker, and we're gonna give it a quick shake so we can mix all the ingredients and obviously dissolve the sugar. Now bear in mind, this is a dirty pour cocktail, or as we call it, or it's directly whatever you shake you put in the glass. So put a good cubes of ice, enough, and just give it a good shake, okay? So let's shake. Beautiful. There we go. Make sure you get all the good liquids. Grab your glass and directly dirty pour shake with the lime inside straight away. Put these things away. Maybe drop a little bit ice on the top. And now you have the choice. The original recipe requires soda water, but because I find out from experience that the rum it's mixed very well with the cream soda. If you like to go on the sweet side, which I will do today, use cream soda. If not, if you wanted to keep it more dry and a more strong flavor of the rum, just go with the normal soda. I will go with the cream soda today, but again, this is absolutely personal preference, and just top it up. And there you go. That's a Dr. Funk final ingredient. It's another lime wedge on the top. Just squeeze it and just drop it in the cocktail. Now, I suggest this cocktail to be served with a straw. So I'm gonna use glass straw, or should I use, no, I'm gonna use one of my just shake or stir bamboo straw, because we love the planet and we wanna keep it clean. And let's test it. And that's a proper funky cocktail. Not surprised why it's called Dr. Funk. It's very refreshing. It's very like a summer in a glass. You can feel the rum, because obviously that's the base. You have 2 ounces, 60 ml of the rum inside. Then it's coming this a lovely little refreshment from the anisette, but it doesn't overpower anything. It's just on the back end, and it's enough sweet because of the cream soda and the powdered sugar. And then you have the lemon and the lime inside, making fantastic citrus mix. So it's absolutely wonderful, guys. Cheers, and thank you for watching. Now, for all of you who vote for the rum, stay tuned, because I have another 2 cocktails coming for you. Pretty simple like this one, but with a different rum and just a little twist on ingredients. Apart from that, thanks again for voting, thanks again for participating. And if you're one of my subscribers and you want to get involved, make sure you check the community tab when I post something new, because it's coming. Now let's get kind of a chat and let's get talking, and let's see what we can do with this channel, because like I say, the channel it's made for you, so I want to know what you expect and what you want to see more. Okay guys, for now I'll leave you because I'm gonna go and enjoy this cocktail, and I'll see you in the next video with another rum cocktail. Stay safe, and as always, I love you and I leave you. Bye bye.